This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Extraordinary buy in the OldPoint Subdivision of Portsmouth. Situated on a cul-de-sac with over 0.40 acre, a large detached garage with storage and over 2,000 square feet of living space. This home is waiting just for you. Featuring an open floor plan, first floor bedroom and full bath, all stainless steel appliances, and a spacious master suite with high vaulted ceilings. You'll enjoy entertaining in the huge fenced backyard with a covered screened-in porch. Minutes from shopping, highways, military bases and more. Look no more and turn an extraordinary home opportunity into your reality. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-65